Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, laptop hibernates on its own, how to fix it. First method is type Control Panel in Windows search bar, click Control Panel. Click Power Options. Click Change Plan Settings. Click Change Advanced Power Settings. Click and expand battery. Click and expand low battery action. On battery to do nothing, also plugged in to do nothing. Click Apply, click OK. Second method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type chkdsk space, /f space, /x space, /r space, /clan. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.